Cooper Tires manufactures a full line of commercial tires designed to fit your needs and save your fleet money. Visit CooperTruckTires.com to learn more.
Wheel end technology developments are right now being driven by the need to reduce turnaround times for service and installation. Like with any other service, more efficient installation and maintenance allows a shop to achieve higher levels of satisfaction and maintain profitability, and allows a fleet to maximize uptime.
David Pumpkin. Back in my day, uptime wasn't about technology. It was about elbow grease. Do the maintenance the right way the first time and don't screw it up.
Grandpa, not a good time. Back to wheel ends, you'll find typical truck wheel ends use a double nut system, which is made up of an inner adjusting nut, spindle washer, and an outer jam nut. But today, these systems are trending toward using a single nut system, which reduces the number of installation steps in the shop. Future developments are aimed at further easing installation and preventing inaccuracies.
You know how you prevent inaccuracies? You practice. Elbow grease.
Grandpa, you're not wrong, but I'm talking technology right now. For instance, telematics and smart components are all the rage because proper data collection and monitoring can be invaluable to your fleet. Some companies are investing significant time into creating wheel-end sensor hardware, with a focus on tackling concerns related to the durability of the physical sensor itself, battery life, exposure to the elements, and other road inputs. At the end of the day, you just want your wheel-end systems to work properly and to last as long as possible. To this end, proper bearing adjustment is a key factor in reducing premature failure in a wheel end.
You're darn tootin'. Give me some of that spotlight, son. You're hogging it. Now, it's important that you are properly lubricating the bearings to prevent overheating and failure. In doing this, try to avoid mixing and matching different greases and oils, as lubes are complicated and they may not be compatible with each other. The majority of damage to wheel bearings is typically caused by degradation of the oil or grease, or by oil leakage and debris entering through seals. So you need to be doing routine checks to assure the lubricant and seals are in good condition, especially if you mix lubes like I told you not to. When you're performing maintenance on wheel ends, knowing the material of the hub, whether it's ferrous or aluminum, is critical, as there are different challenges associated with each when replacing bearings and seals without damaging the hub.
He's right. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com.
Thanks for watching.